Hello everybody, my name is Hindu. Today we are going to learn about how to sign days of the week. Monday is this. Do not open your fingers, keep them closed and tap onto your inner palm. That's Monday. Tuesday. That's Tuesday. A flat palm and then the other fingers join on the side. That's Tuesday. Wednesday. Uninterlocked fingers. Thursday. On the flat palm, remember you touch and then pass it over. Thursday. Friday. The two fingers, do not keep them open, keep them closed. Tap, let them tap each other. That's Friday. Saturday, you can sign those little fingers, Saturday, or you may sign Saturday, illustration of washing, Saturday. And Sunday, when we all go to pray. In summary, the days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Saturday and Sunday. Please continue learning. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our link below.